Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll discuss one question of standard costing where we are required to calculate material cost variances and sub-variances. In question, they have not given the standard price which we are required to calculate. How to do that? Let us read question. From the following information, calculate material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance. Standard cost for 100 units, 800 kgs. Standard rate per kg 6 rupees 40 paise. Actual production 45,000 units. Actual material used 3,50,000 kg. Actual material cost rupees 22,05,000. We'll do basic workings. First, we are required to calculate standard quantity for actual output. Standard quantity required for 100 units is 800 kgs. Actual production is 45,000 units. For 100 units output, standard input is 800 kgs. Actual output is 45,000 units. How much is this standard input? $360,000 is standard quantity for actual output. Another working is required to calculate standard price. Actual material cost for 3,50,000 kg 22,05,000. Actual material cost divided by actual material used. $22,05,000 divided by 3,50,000 kgs. Standard price, actual price for output we have calculated rupees 6.30 per kg.
Actual price possible.
Actual price we have calculated for actual quantity purchased rupees 6.30 paise. Material cost variance formula is standard quantity multiplied by standard price minus actual quantity multiplied by actual price. Standard quantity for actual output 3,60,000 kgs. Actual material used, actual quantity 3,50,000 kg. Standard price rupees 6.40. Actual price rupees 6.30. We'll put these values in equation. Standard quantity 3,60,000 multiplied by standard price 6 rupees 40 paise minus actual quantity 3,50,000 multiplied by actual price 6 rupees 30 paise material cost variance we got rupees 99,000. Let us calculate now sub variances. Material usage variance formula is standard price multiplied by standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard price we have rupees 6.4. Standard quantity 3,60,000. Actual quantity 3,50,000. ₹6.40 multiplied by 10,000, 64,000. This is positive, it will be shown as 64,000 favorable. Material price variance is equal to actual quantity multiplied by standard price minus actual price. Actual quantity 3,50,000. Standard price 6 rupees 40 paise. Actual price 6 rupees 30 paise. Material price variance we got 35,000 positive, that is favorable. We can verify material cost variance is equal to material usage variance plus material price variance. 64,000 plus 35,000 is equal to 99,000. We have calculated material cost variance 99,000. In this question, we have learned how to calculate material cost variance and its sub variances when standard price is not clearly given in the question. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.